Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn any picture into an animation using Canva AI step by step. We will go through everything from uploading your image to applying the AI animations, removing the backgrounds, creating the custom motion effects, adjusting the timing and exporting your final animated design. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Canva for yourself, you will find its link in the description box below in order to get started. So when you click on that particular link, you will be landed here on the official homepage of canva.com. So when you are here, you can sign up if you haven't already, or if you already have an account, you just have to log in into it. Now, when you log in, you are going to see this type of interface of Canva in front of you. So before we get started, let's just quickly understand what Canva AI animation actually is. So in it, Canva is going to include the built-in animation tools that allow you to add the motion effects to your images, your texts, graphics, design elements. So instead of using any complicated video editing software, Canva is going to let you animate the designs with just a few clicks. And with Canva's newer AI-powered animation system, the motion effects feel much smoother and more natural. And that's why I can say that it is very beginner friendly while still giving you the professional looking results. So when you are here, simply click on the option of create first here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, it is going to show you all of the things that you can create over here, like any presentations, any social media posts, any photo editor, videos, and bunch of other things. Over here in the quick actions, you can just simply take a look at some of the frequently used designs of yours and some of the populars in Canva. So over here, let's say I want to create an Instagram post. So I'm going to click on the option of Instagram post. Now, when I clicked on it, as you can see, it has opened a blank design in front of me. So you can either open a blank design or you can upload any of the images directly. So on this particular blank design, in order to upload the image, simply click on the option of upload in the right hand section. Afterwards, you just have to click on the option of upload file and you need to simply upload any of the files or any of the images, and then you just have to place them over here on top of your design just like so. Now, when you have done that, when the picture is available here in Canva, in order to animate it, you need to first of all select it. After selecting it, you are going to see this animate button on the top right hand corner of the screen. So over here, you just have to simply click on the option of animate. And as soon as you click on the option of animate, you will be shown bunch of different photo related animations available. So here you can customly create an animation, and we will talk about this feature later. But for now, you are going to see some of the featured animations, like we have shake zoom, then we have whip slide, after that we have the old TV, and then we have the chroma wave. So as you hover over to these types of animations, you are going to see the animation preview on top of your image. So you can take a look at it and see which one is looking good. So for me, this one is looking good, so I'm going to simply select it. And as you can see, when I've selected it, further filters or further options have appeared. So over here you can animate it either from both the sides. Currently it is on the enter, but you can also select it on both the sides. When you select on both the sides, now it is going to show you the preview, which is going to look something like this. You are also going to use this particular speed option, with the help of which you can increase or decrease the speed of this particular animation. Now, if you like it, it is well and good, but if you want to explore more, you can also scroll down a bit and take a look at bunch of other animations available, like we have chroma wave, and then we have some of the others available in the reveal, like brush, ink, digital. In the general, we have rise, pan, fade, and then we have suggested, which are photo flow, photo rise, photo zoom. So it has given you bunch of different types of animations. Now, if you scroll to the up, you are going to see the presentation settings, and here it will appear on the click. So you can basically select this particular option if you want to, and then you can select the click order over here. In order to create your own animation, they have given you this particular AI option. So over here, it is going to show that you need to select and drag the element around the canvas in order to create your animation. So over here, this is my image, and in order to create the animation, I'm going to just select it like so, and then it is going to basically create the animation of the movement that I just did, which you can see it over here. Now I can give it name to this animation. So here I can select it whether I want to basically select the movement style as original, smooth, or steady. For this, I'm going to select it as smooth. Afterwards, I can change the speed of it. I can increase or decrease the speed of it just like so. Then you will see the presentation settings, and you will see the orient element to path. So over here you can select it, and it is going to look something like this. So when you are done creating your own animation, simply click on the option of done, and now you have successfully put that animation on top of your image here in Canva. So similarly, you can go to the elements, and then you can add any of the elements over here on top of your project. Or you can also go to the templates section, and here you will see a bunch of different pre-built templates. So let's say I'm interested in this particular template and I want to animate this particular text. So after selecting the text, you are going to see the animate option, and for text you are going to see a bunch of different suggested animations like these. So you can select it, and as you can see, it is looking good over here. Now similarly, you can select the object or this particular frame or this particular shape here. Then you can click on the option of animate, and again you can select any of these animations. You can also hover over to the animations, and it is going to show you the preview. So here, after selecting the animation, as you can see, it is going to look something like this. So over here on top, what you can do is you can just simply select those pages which you want to basically download. So for now, I'm going to download this particular page only. Now I'm going to give you this particular poster a name. So I'm going to give it as poster. Now, once you are done with your animations, either on the text or on the shape or on the photo, you just have to simply click on the option of share on the top right hand corner. But before that, if you want to preview that, you can click on the option of preview, and it is going to show you the preview of that particular animation that you did. And as you can see, it is looking good. Now click on the option of share on the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on the option of download. Over here, make sure that you select the MP4 format. You can change the formats, but since we want to use the animations on our post, we need to download it in the form of MP4. Afterwards, we have this particular option available, which is quality. So over here, by default, the quality will be decent, but if you want to increase the quality, you can just definitely use this particular slider, and it is going to show you the larger screens available here. So when you are done, you just have to simply click on the option of download over here. And as soon as you click on the option of download, Canva is going to start the downloading of this particular animation poster, and it will take some time and it will come in your device. So that's how basically you can use picture animations here in Canva. You can use Canva AI, you can use your own animations, and you can use some of the pre-built animations here. So if you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.